Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will learn how to remove indents or remove extra spaces within cells in Excel. When we import data to Microsoft Excel from external source such as web pages or Microsoft Word, there are some blank indents within cells frequently. How do you remove an indent within cells? Instead of removing each indent in cell one by one, I will introduce you some easy way to remove indents within cells quickly. So in this video, I am going to use Kutools to remove indents. First, select the cells that contains indentation and click on Kutools. Click on editing and click on text drop down arrow, and from the drop down select the option remove spaces, and from the remove spaces dialog box select the option all access spaces and click on apply. Now click on OK. Now you can see all the extra spaces have been removed. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos about Excel. Thank you.